you hear the 5 steps? Let's have a look at hole 3, shall we? Hole 3 on your C harmonica. So we're going to try and bend the notes. So if you can get anything on hole 3, that'll be great. I would suggest that before you attack hole 3, you should have already attacked hole 2, maybe, and definitely holes 1 and 4 and 6 and 5. Absolutely, those should be done first. 2 and 3 are much more interesting, of course. The difficult things are more interesting, aren't they? Of course they are. So what have you got in hole 3? G, B. So you've got B when you breathe in. The higher note is the breathing in note on all of the holes from 1 to 6. G, B, G, B, G, B. So what's missing? Have a look at your guitar fretboard or your piano keyboard. What's missing between B and G? G, B, G. That shows how perfect my pitch is, or how rubbish my pitch is. So we've got B, B flat, A flat, G. Wait a minute, are you telling me there's 3 bent notes and 2 straight notes, make a total of 5 notes in there? Yes, sirree Bob, I'm telling you exactly that. There are 5 notes on hole 3. 5 notes on hole 3. That's assuming you're just using the piano keyboard notes and the guitar fretboard notes. Of course, there's an infinite amount of microtones available. You can go between the cracks, can't you? Quarter tones. But let's just stick with regulated ones for the moment. Once you've learnt the rules, break the rules. Of course, absolutely. Can you hear the 5 steps? Try and get them accurate, but sometimes I don't, because you can slide around as well. That's the beauty of this sort of glissando-y instrument. So let's just try and get some of those. Can you get anything on hole 3? So you're just saying eeeew, eeeew. Don't forget that it gets, as you breathe in and you increase the size of your mouth and you pull your tongue back away from the teeth towards the throat. Eeeew, eeew. All of these draw notes are on holes 1 to 6. They're all breathing in and they're all start small, get bigger, and they're all tongue goes back towards the throat away from the teeth. Ear, 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 blow, ear, blow. Oh, you've got some reference points. To draw double bend is an A. So let's take an A harmonica and blow hole 4. Texture's different, isn't it? Because it's a bent note and this is a straight note. But the pitch is thereabouts. If you had a B flat harmonica, I've got one somewhere, I can't see it at the moment. You could do the same with the first bend. So the first bend is B flat, the second bend is A, the third bend is A flat. So if you had an A flat harmonica or any harmonica that's got those notes on it, or your keyboard or your fretboard, because you can just one hand on the harmonica, one hand on the keyboard or fretboard, you can just ping the notes, can't you, and just play them. I did an open mic, actually I did it a couple of times, where I taped up Can you believe this? I left hole 3 open and taped up everything else. Let me just try and do that for you right now. And I'll play the whole blues just on hole 3. Bit mad, isn't it? But I wanted to just prove the point and to test myself and see if I could do it. So there we've got only hole 3 is playing. So nothing else is playable. So there's lots of little tunes you can play like that. Try and play some blues for you. So I think it's well worth learning, if you can, to play that. So I think we'll leave it there. Have fun, enjoy it. Let me know if you want any help. See you later.